Welcome to Edge of the Woods Native Plant Nursery, a woman-owned business promoting and propagating native plants since 2003. Owners Sue Tanzitz and Louise Schaefer worked with native plants prior to founding the nursery and bring formal education in biology, horticulture, and ecology along with their passion for native plants. Our retail nursery provides more than 300 species of native container trees, shrubs, and perennials for homeowners, landowners, parks, municipalities, and restoration projects. We also provide design, installation, and horticultural consultation services to the Lehigh Valley and vicinity. Our expert staff provides personal consultation to clients and customers so they can make informed, environmentally sound decisions about their landscape. Our nursery showcases plants native to the Mid-Atlantic ecosystem, with more than 10 demonstration gardens, a small meadow, and an American chestnut orchard. Our site is certified as wildlife and butterfly habitat by the National Wildlife Federation and Monarch Watch. Many of our plants are grown from local seed, and we offer species that are difficult to find in other nurseries. We use a minimum of pesticides. All our plants are safe for visiting pollinators, insects, butterflies, and wildlife. All plants are nursery propagated. We do not collect from the wild. Our goal is to produce a plant with healthy roots. When properly sited, they will require little additional care once established. We provide detailed signage on our plants to assist you in selecting plants for your site and provide information throughout the nursery on which plants support pollinators, butterflies, birds, or wildlife. Tours of the nursery are offered weekly, and the public is invited to stroll through the gardens anytime we are open. Educational workshops are held throughout the season to help the community understand the critical role native plants play in the ecosystem. Edge of the Woods maintains relationships with local nonprofits and volunteer organizations, assisting in the restoration of native plant communities that have been lost to invasive plants or habitat destruction. The nursery is open seasonally from April to October. Detailed information is available on the website and social media. Come visit us and see how native plants can make the beauty of your property grow.